In this video, we're going to be looking at the multi-lab IDS, the 4010-1, and the couple things that we wanted to look at today is how we can go into the menu system. And there's some things that we want to be able to access and we want to change, so we want to be able to change parameters, and then we want to spend a little time talking about how we can do data entry and deletion of the parameters that we have chosen. So we're just going to walk through some of these things. First thing we want to do is right now we have the BOD probe hooked up, and anytime that you hit the enter button and we have that probe hooked up, that allows us to enter the menu system of that probe and the items related to it. And so as you can see, we have calibration that's highlighted, and we're going to go ahead and hit the enter button, and that's going to take us into the sub menu of calibration. So you can see all the things that we can look at as far as the calibration record, the data storage. We're going to take a look at that, for example, and it will tell you the last time that it was calibrated, and as far as this time it was done with 1 point. And to back out of that, you can just continue to hit the F1 to back up out of that, and then that continues to take a look at the other things as far as the sensor cap coefficients. We'll do a separate video on when you have an opportunity to change the cap and how that is done. But we're going to continue to back out of that, and you can see when we back out, we're back at the menu. So that's how you enter the parameters related to that. But if you want to enter system parameters, just continue to hold down the enter button, and that will bring up your system parameters and storage. And so I want to enter system, so I'm just going to hit the enter button. Hear that click, and I'm going to enter it again, and now we see the typical system parameters that you'll see in a laboratory instrument as far as language and adjusting issues with the screen and shut-off time and those type of things. So I'm going to back out of here with the F1, and then there's you can go down and adjust the clock, the time, the format, all those things that you can do in this menu. While I'm here, I want to look at the data storage, because that was one of the things that we wanted to talk about here on our talking points. And we're just going to go here. Since we're here, we're going to go enter. Again, we're just hitting the enter, but you can also go up or down in the menu system. And once it's highlighted, like it is for data storage, we're going to hit that, and we're going to hit manual. And as you can see, there is 0 of 500 data points stored, so there isn't anything for us to delete right now, but we're going to go ahead and enter some data points. So I'm going to just hit the mode button. That takes us back to the measurement mode, and like I said, we are set up for O2 for oxygen, and I'm just going to hit the store button. So we're going to hit and enter some data points here, and so that's my first data point. It says manual data storage 1 of 500, continue. So when you see the continue, it just asking us to hit the enter button. So we're actually going to save that. And so we're back at the measurement mode, and just so we can see it again, we're going to hit the store button again, and it says data storage 2 of 500. So we're going to enter that by hitting enter. So that's kind of how the menu system works on this YSI single channel meter, the multi-lab 4010-1. And if you need any more information, you can just go to certified911.com.